Alright, so here's the glasses what I have now. They're built into a sunglasses frame. They look pretty normal when you're wearing them. They're sticking off your face a little bit, and when they're light, can't really, it looks pretty normal when you can't really see lenses or anything when you're looking through it when you're wearing them. So it has a major change from the original plan is it has a separate little pocket brain. So it's got the battery, the Raspberry Pi, and basically everything it can. It fits in this little Altoids can. It's got about a 2-hour battery life. A little switch, charge port, and the wire coming out, and then comes off the left side behind your ear, so it makes it a whole lot smaller and lighter weight. And then it has a just a monocle display because one of the displays went bad, but it still works pretty good. Just has a little screen, kind of centered in your vision. Right there, it's 640 by 480, or more like 700 by 480, and it's transparent, as you can see here. So you still have your depth perception, and it looks pretty good. Looks pretty bright when you're inside. It's a little dim outside, as you just saw, but still recognize. You can still see it. Then yeah, so it's pretty easy to see. Kind of switch back and forth. You can see it, or you can just kind of see everything else. So it's being controlled by this wireless keyboard mouse pad. It's a USB. The dongle is in by the little Altoids can. So you can see here, little mouse cursor moving around. Can open up programs and whatnot. So, and right now it's just running the default Raspbian interface, but I still have a gyroscope and a camera and heart rate sensor and speakers that I've yet to all stick on. That's what these loose wires are for. They're gonna go away, but those are going up along the sides of here. So, and then once I get the gyroscope, I'm gonna try to rig up some more like augmented reality, make it like windows that look like they stay still when you move your head around, and then maybe some camera hand controls with when I have the camera. We'll just have to see how that goes. Then a heart rate sensor, just that's cool, and some 2 bone conduction speakers for audio. So that's about it.